Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Salsabila Eldis. I will give you tutorials translation, how to use DPL for translation. Step by step. Step 1. Access the DPL website. Open your web browser and go to the DPL website. You can find it by searching for DPL on a search engine or be directly visiting dpl.com. Okay, step 2. Select source and target language. At the top of the screen, you all see two text box. The text box on the left is for the source language, usually the language of the text you want to translate, while the text box on the right is for the target language, the language you want the text to be translated into. Okay, click on each text box to select the appropriate language. Okay, step 3. Type or paste the text. After selecting the source and target language, type or paste the text you want to translate into a corresponding text box. DPL will automatically translate the text as soon as you start typing. Step 4. Review and correction. Once the translation appears in the text box on the right, review the results. Make sure the translation accurately reflects your intended meaning. DPL provides high-quality translation, but it's always a good idea to check and ensure what is accuracy, especially for complex phrases or sentence. Okay, step 5. Alternatives and context. Note that DPL also provides several alternatives translation for substance, words, or phrases. You can check these alternatives by clicking on the translate word or phrase. Additionally, be sure to consider the context of the sentence and adjust any words or phrases that don't fit. Okay. Step 6. Copy or use the translation. Once you're satisfied with the translation, you can copy it and use it as needed. Use the translation in conversation, documents, or whatever is required. Step 7. Review. This is optional, ya. If the translation is particularly important, you may want to have someone fluent in the target language review it. This will help ensure that your translation is correct and contextually appropriate. Okay. Let's step. Learn more. DPL is a powerful tool, but it's not perfect. If you're interested in learning a particular language, more DPL. Consider taking language courses or using additional resources such as online dictionaries or language learning apps. Okay, guys, I will give you an example of Indonesian text to be translated into English using DPL translation. These are example of some sentence that I will convert into English. Okay. I copy and pasted some sentence in my journal. Okay, I can read. In order to delve deeper into the reception of the Central Islamic literature in the digital era, this research will adopt an analytical approach involving a review of current literature, content analysis of digital literature works, as well as interviews with writers, publishers, and literary readers. It is hoped that this research can provide valuable insight into the dynamics and prospects on the Central Islamic literature amidst the ever-evolving digital currents. Okay, I think this is almost accurate and still connected, so you can try to make it easier to translate the text or journal. But don't forget to check and recheck or read the translate text again. Okay, guys, enough tutorials from me. Hopefully, it will be useful for all my friends. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.